Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Nachut and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we dey see our program, for here we dey bring you football updates all over the world, bringing news from La Liga, Premiership, Serie A, and the rest of the world. For now, we'll start with Arsenal Football Club. When Shaka don come out for social media, we back on the post say all smiles, another day closer to being back. They say the guy they train like mad, the guy they train seriously, making comebacks. He don't miss football well. Our prayer be say making comeback before January, so that when Elneny and all those kind of party, they don't go AFCON, then the guy will slot back to the midfield. They'll go pair Shaka and Lokonga. We will see how two of them partnership will be. Then if Shaka never still come back, then we no go get choice now. If we never buy reinforcements, they will go pair Lokonga and Instrumental Niles. Well, what watch that everything will turn out. Wish and quick recovery. Quick recovery. On my familiar setting, they call they ask me because I say, Baba, what's this up now? This Anfield match when they go now. I see this Anfield because the last time when I win for Anfield now 2012, and you said you follow play for that match, you follow for the owner, enjoy the winning. So after that one, Liverpool they nap on blue and black. So what's go talk about this one? So Baba call they talk say, we do it since this up. That Anfield na great test to get to that place. Easy to play for there. And another two people go check. They say the quality of the opposition they very strong. If you compare Liverpool with due respect to some clubs like maybe like Brighton or maybe some clubs like, even though Brighton said show Liverpool Pepe, but on paper with the pedigree, we compare Liverpool with Watford, Liverpool with Norwich, all those small things. So now we tell those people they talk. So they'll be strong team, and so they don't lose their last match, can't draw the previous one, they go won't give everybody a response, say we still good now. So we'll just keep our fingers crossed, anything can happen. At the same time, they ask Jurgen Klopp, maybe Liverpool coach, say, I just see this Arsenal, look at this Arsenal now. For the first 3 games, they languish at the bottom of the table, but now they don't be very close to now. Maybe so they never even lose, maybe now only one they don't lose. Yeah, they don't lose like 3 or more, and they don't get close to now. So waiting they suck. If they're winning now, they go leapfrog now. I just need Arsenal. So back on the talk, say, this Arsenal side, then they very surprising. Say everybody don't write them off, but before you know, they can't get some kind of rich vein of form, can't get some kind of run of results. So they win. You get one day close to them. See, now very nice to say. Arsenal are a very good side, you get a quality side, and you shouldn't joke with them. At the same time, themselves go prove to everybody say themselves they still be good side, so many people don't forget say themselves good. As people they remember that say Arsenal self good. Well, anything go happen, Baba just they laugh, they happy for their mind now. They go see them say knock us the way they knock us normal for that Anfield. Well, I just pray more give them a shocker. As I don't come outside again, they talk about the fact say he regrets why he no sign N'Golo Kante towards the end of his own tenure. You get say the guy they out for Leicester that time, say he almost won't sign him, or the scouts don't scamp the guy again and just make him pull the trigger. But he call it done himself before you know Chelsea can soup for the guy. So if they sign the guy, who knows? Maybe the guy could be a great player for Arsenal. I don't know. I think I just they talk some kind of things. See, there's some kind of things you're supposed to bring for social media again. Not supposed to bring out for limelight. Don't let the thing just die off. Just kill the matter. Which time we say you regret why you no sign N'Golo Kante. Now so the other time we say regrets why you no sign Cristiano Ronaldo. Say I for sign Messi. Baba your rest now. I be define relevance for news. I don't know. My marital spirit when they call photo mark, they don't come outside, they let us know say Arsenal they prepared to allow Elneny free in contract, like they won't release them for January, making go join Galatasaray. But I don't know why this one will happen like this, because why would I won't let the guy go on free? Sharing agreements with Elneny with Arteta gets, so then tear in contract, so then go join Galatasaray. If it is true, why? What is the rationale behind it? We will not even get plenty cover. I be the one, maybe Instrumental Niles don't deputize very well. So the reason say Elneny don't be surplus to requirements, they may just move on. I don't just understand. Even yesterday, Charlie Watts, maybe Go.com journalist and Arsenal journalist, when they talk about this matter, talk say it will make sense if Arsenal allow this guy to go join Galatasaray on free. How many years remain for a contract, or how many months remain for a contract? Why not let them play till the end of the summer? They make him go join them. If you don't join them for January, Galatasaray will die. It's something to happen. They will go relegation. So what's the stop now? If you go now, go help them win league. So when I leave the guy for Arsenal, you get if you need them, injury if it happen to anybody, if you need the guy, COVID. Some people say never do COVID-19 vaccine. So if you still need that, anything can happen. So what's the case? Unless maybe you don't get guarantee say una wan sign cover for that January. If you wan sign cover, no yawa make the guy dey go. But if you know say you no go sign adequate cover, or maybe the guy you surplus the requirements or not, he's still an experienced midfielder. So just keep am. So my dear football lovers, don't forget to follow our YouTube channel, subscribe, Sachuk's Arsenal TV. And you know say our challenge that we could enter our first 1,000 subscribers, and I really they try. Like few days ago, we started this challenge, many people they subscribe, we could enter our first 1,000. People come they turn up. Now we don't do almost 800, I think 770 or thereabouts. So I really did very happy. Don't forget, I beg subscribe. If you are watching the channel for the first time, subscribe. We'll give you Arsenal news, verified news every day. That's what we drop out for here. Verified news where you go dey proud, where you go fit tell anybody, anywhere, anytime. Nobody go argue say now fake news, you get, because I take my time to verify it. So thank you as you do that, and God bless you. Surprise, Stefano Pioli, will be AC Milan coach, don't come outside talk say him would like to bring Pepe to San Siro. So he then left for Arsenal to sanction this deal, which I hope they will, because the guy no really they play plenty games for Arsenal, and I think they now instead go get game time, because and some other fans say they talk say you know go good make Arsenal sell this guy, give any EPL rival, you get, because that can be a motivation, can be springboard board. But the guy to come play very well to hunt us, so it will make sense. We will ship him overseas. But now if you say AC Milan don't come outside, now because the reason say okay, we they interested in this guy. Now to sell him, make them sell him, but it go good make them sell him at the end of the season, because January, in January they always did tricky. I don't understand, because anything can happen. Even though people no go there around for January, because Baba go represent Côte d'Ivoire for AFCON. So we just hope say the deal will go through. Even if it won't go through for January, make it be say we will sign the Noalango they find, or the Jan Kulusevski. If we sign this people, but if we know say we no go get this people for January, or maybe they still keep him good or not, the guy go stay at least there for there, maybe 75 minutes, they go ship him in. Maybe try 1 or 2 magic if possible. Paul Merson don't come outside to give his own prediction for this Liverpool versus Arsenal match. So back on to say for him, say they see that kind 1-1, they see draw, because Arsenal no be push over again. You get, we do a run play the last 10 games and play very well. They no lose. Saying they expect a 1-1 for this place. Well, that's what Baba talking you. At the same time, they can't ask David Seaman, say what's be your own prediction for this match where Liverpool won't play against Arsenal. So Baba can't talk say for him, say no go lie, say they see draw for the match, they see 1-1. I don't know, this is why everybody just talk 1-1. Now only Michael Owen talk saying they see 3-1, say they go knock Arsenal. So these two people now don't talk say that they see 1-1. Well, everything now prediction now. What's your own prediction for this match? Liverpool versus Arsenal. What's you see Arsenal playing here? Now see Liverpool winning, I see Arsenal winning. What's the correct score? What do you think will happen? Let me know for the comment section. At the same time, David Seaman come outside and talk say they very happy to be mentor for Ramsey. Also Ramsey don't talk say David Seaman are like a mentor, and also 2 of them they did for training. Because after drafting Seaman, they got the reason of the goalkeeper, all those kind of Leno, all this kind of Ramsdale, Okonkwo, Hein. So mean they coach all of them, because this guy is one of the legendary keepers for Arsenal. I get when Arsenal they hot, don't be now. So now they help them, they train them, they let them say okay like this, do like this. Me I've been a senior man or so if I tell them like this when I do them, you know. So now so it just be say the guy they happy to get that legendary status and mentorship status for Arsenal. Jamie Carragher don't come outside the talk say this Arteta dream and Arteta vision of being a very good footballing side, of entering Europe, of telling us to trust the process. Say the vision and the dream, it don't materialize. So when you check out all the crop of players when you first buy them, people they laugh at them, people they don't say who be Sambi Lokonga, I would say don't go buy Ben White, they were paid for him, you know. But the first 3 games, people they laugh them, because I thought I even come outside and say before I go judge you, make una chill, make una wait, make all my players complete. My first 11 never complete. If you don't complete, you can't play here, make una judge me. But why they scam the future? Now see, I need to see things what we know if you see, you get. So now everything done they work fine. Everybody don't get all the pieces of the puzzle, everything done they go well. So that's very good. But the problem is say make we no go regress in the future. Make we no go back again. Now we say we don't get the winning formation. Make we stick to the formation, win or lose. And what it seems like Man City, it seems like Liverpool, they always do. Whether come rain, come sun, they deal with their 4-3-3. Whether they lose, whether they knock them 4-0, they deal with their 4-3-3. No be say you go play 4-3-3 tomorrow, next tomorrow go play 3-4-3. Upper Thursday you go play 3-5-2. Nobody know you don't have an identity. You get, so it go dey easy for you to fall back. But if you get identity, lose or win, you're supposed to use that one, because all these players, even said they don't dey faster than their shadow. We don't expect them still go dey this good, because they just bought these people, for crying out loud. They never really acclimatized. They never. Tomiyasu don't play with Arsenal players before. Ben White don't play with Gabriel Magalhaes before. Get what you check about Tavares, he don't play before. Even Ramsdale. All these guys enter, use their experience, use their zeal, productivity. Don't play very well, bond very well. So it just did very good. They dey ahead of the calendar. Well, just pray say make them continue like this. As a winger don come outside again, we going to drop another bombshell. Say, no go believe say when him dey for Arsenal, when he be Arsenal manager, say Harry Kane was in our academy. They trained with the Arsenal side. But you see the guy dey like 9, I think between 9 to 11 years for the academy wey him dey. So him no really know say the guy did enough. For this people, I only that one they say Harry Kane dey for Arsenal when he dey 9 to 11 years. Say nobody raising the matter, but when he see this money, then he can't come out. Can't go join Tottenham Hotspur. Even the picture self come outside where you say Harry Kane wear Arsenal shirt. Everybody come surprised, say, we can't regret. Say, if to say no, say therefore go check the boy. Say nobody knows, say the boy go take great. And to be fair, Harry Kane said when he can't go Tottenham Hotspur at that age, at 11 years, he know the hots that time now. Even said it take him like maybe 5 more years before he can make his first break. Even Tottenham Hotspur send him out on loan 4 different times. I think at the 5th season when they for Spurs, now he come blow, come score like 21 goals in 30 something matches. So don't be saying that when they small, when they hot. Nobody like Mika Biarritz, we small, with the Arsenal under 23, with the boss net like mad. So that's what it just be. So maybe Baba no regret so much. But why can't they let all the cat out of the bag at this time of it, this stage now when they to let us they remember some kind of thing. They say, hey, whoa, if to say it happen like this or to say it happen like this, but Baba go rest, Jerry. I'm gonna enter match of the day now. Liverpool versus Arsenal. But today Liverpool go host Arsenal for Anfield as they hope to return to winning ways. But I'm gonna run check their head to head. For the last 5 games for Anfield, Arsenal lose all 5. Last year we lose 3-1 for ESL. With Arsenal unbeaten run, I know say this match no go dey easy for Liverpool. If Arsenal win, they go climb above Liverpool for table, so it will be hard encounter. Arsenal no really get any notable absentees, so we expect the boys to make us proud. As things stand like this, just keep an open mind. You get, even if we lose, it doesn't mean we are a bad side. Even if we win, it doesn't mean we have arrived. Keep an open mind. We will go there. My own be say, make the boys keep us proud. Don't forget, let me know your comments, your prediction for the comment section. And subscribe to our channel GFL TV, and God will continue to bless you as you do so. So my dear football lovers, here will come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow I'll come again, giving a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we see our program, don't forget to like our posts, share our videos, follow us, and support us. And you see that bell notification icon we did there. Toggle am so that when else we drop videos, YouTube and Facebook will notify you say we don't drop them. Thank you for always supporting us. God bless you and have a nice day.